Citrus carpet cleaning in Canton, Georgia today. This is a referral. We don't come to Canton often, but we do. So we got two area rugs. This one is 8 by 10. This one in here is 9 by 12. Lots of pee spots upstairs. There's 4 bedrooms and a bonus. Urine spots are kind of hard to see, but they're kind of everywhere. These secondary bedrooms aren't nearly as bad as what I would call the master bonus area. We do put out towels all the transition areas. Spot there. And the really light spots are always the most problematic, because usually that means something's been done to them. Lots of stuff's been done to them, or they're really old, been there for a long time. We never make promises saying we get everything out, because that's just a statistical impossibility. So there's, overall, I'd say there's probably 2-3 dozen spots throughout the house. They're not showing up real well on camera. It always goes to show you that the human eye is more powerful than the however many pixels the camera is. And this room here actually smells kind of like urine, but it's also the most concentrated area of spot. There's probably a dozen spots just in here. They don't show up hardly at all, but they're kind of all over the outside here. And this room definitely has a little urine-y smell to it. A couple spots, spot there, a spot there. So we'll get this knocked out. See how it shows, how well it does after we finish. It's 10:30. We're just wrapped up. So we started about 9:30, finished up about 10:30. We're going to start at 9:15. I don't know. 9:15, 9:30. We'll say 9:15. So we had the 2 area rugs. And then the rooms upstairs came out better than expected. I want to show you something before I forget. Carpet was full of soap, which is very common. Culprit is probably this right here. A lot of urine removers, pet stain removers are all soapy. Way you can test for that is shake up the bottle before you buy it, before you purchase it, before you walk out the store with it. Shake it up. And if it suds up or foams up, it's going to be obviously soapy, hence the suds, and it's going to leave a residue, and it's going to attract dirt. Carpets will turn black or brown, very similar to shampooing your hair and not rinsing it out. So all the spots look like they came out pretty well to me. Like I said, better than expected. This room still does have a bit of a a smell to it. I'm gonna spray it again, a little heavier with some deodorizer, specifically formulated for pets. And that will be it for this job. So I believe the total was $388. It took about an hour. Probably used two gallons of the cleaner. As always, JR with Citrus Carpet Cleaning Atlanta.com. No per spot fees, no upsells, no hidden charges. This customer actually prepaid before we got started, which is not uncommon. So, like someone hit that closet area, loft area again with some deodorizer because it's still a little bit funky. 770-652-0630. Yes, you can clean carpet all day long without a truck mount.